everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this episode, we are going to be learning how to change a language on Honeydue application using your mobile device. So, to change your language on Honeydue, the first thing to do is to open up your Honeydue mobile application. Soon after you open up the app, make sure to sign in to your account. From the main homepage, tap on More at the bottom right-hand corner. In the expanded pop-up, tap on Settings. Now, select Localizations option under the Settings menu and click on Language option. Now, as you can see that in order to change your language, it has told you that you will need to change your language setting on your Android device. Simply go to Settings and System and Language and Output. So make sure to follow that. Simply go ahead and tap Open Settings on your Android phone. Scroll down and go ahead and tap Open System or the General Management option. Tap on Language and Input, and where it says Language, go ahead and give it a tap and tap on Add Language and select the language of your preference. Soon after you choose a language, your device will refresh a bit and then it will load it up in the chosen language of your preference. Now, once you've changed the language of your Android device, it'll also be able to change your language for your Honeydue account. So that's how it's done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.